I bought a DX Racer chair and it sucks. I guess it still sucks. Exactly, 3 years ago on this date I purchased a brand new Formula DX Racer chair. A lot of stuff has changed since then. My channel grew, my beard grew. I purchased a brand new drawer, but the most important thing, guys, the chair is still intact. And for the most part, I still have some issues. Some things have worsened with the chair, but for the most part, the chair is intact. Initially in my review I said that I'm pretty indifferent to the chair. Some features I did like, some features I disliked. For instance, I was pretty indifferent to this. In the review I said, when is anybody gonna use this? This is such a useless feature, nobody's ever gonna use this. But, guys, I got so used to it that if I sit in a different chair, I cannot be without this feature. This is very important to me because, for instance, sometimes I do lounge on my chair and I watch a movie, a YouTube video, a TV show, whatever. I sit on my chair instead of on my bed. Sure, my bed is much more comfortable because this pretty much has no padding, like I said in the original review. So of course it's much more comfy to lay on my bed and watch the movie that way, but this still does the job pretty well. Also, yep, it has this. So this applies to any chair, office chair, any old crappy chair, basically any chair does squeak after a while. You can fix that, of course. I just don't bother because it's not such a big issue. As you can hear, it doesn't always happen. But the thing is, most chairs, most racing chairs like this one, start to clunk. It's like a clink, clink, clink constantly when you sit on it, when you get up. But this chair never did any clunky noises, which is awesome. What it did do, of course, is this, which of course again can be fixed. As for the visuals, as you can see on the back, no changes whatsoever. It still looks as fantastic as it did 3 years ago. From a distance, if you look at it from close, you're gonna notice some imperfections, like for instance, when you sit, there's a few torn places. And honestly, this is pretty normal. I sit on my chair for 6 hours, from 6 to 14 hours every single day. For 3 years, my job is YouTube. I stream and I make videos on YouTube and on Twitch. I was expecting a lot more in these 3 years, but no, this is as much as I got. The next thing is these holders. As you can see, the right one is completely fine. No tears whatsoever, however, the left one has had some issues. It's quite unfortunate, but again, guys, I sit on this chair for multiple hours every single day, so this much is completely fine. I was expecting a lot more in these 3 years, but no. The next thing is the cushions. We have 2 cushions, which are still intact. They are actually almost perfect. This one, which I use every single day, no tears whatsoever. This still works, this is still here, so that's perfect. I put it on the back. Squeak, yep. I hate this noise, but it's not such a problem. The next cushion, however, has seen a lot of abuse by me. So usually what you would have for this cushion is you tie it up over here and adjust it from here to here. Well, sometimes I want to put it over here and I can't. If it's tied up, I cannot. So what I did is I took these and I put them like that. I tied them up on the cushion itself. This way I can just put it here, I can lounge, I can put it above here. I could remove this cushion, put this cushion instead of it, and this is how I deal with the issue. Because previously, like I said, it had to be from here to here. But now I can adjust it to anywhere I want. I can even remove it. But with auto moving or tying up, it has seen some abuse. A lot of abuse. Which again is completely fine. Again, 3 years, guys, 3 years, 6+ hours every single day. But enough about the cushions, how is the chair itself? It's still as comfy as it used to be. One thing I have an issue with is, look at this. Pretty cool, right? Well, let me do something. Let me pull it back up. This is as high as it goes. It used to go over here, I would say, this high, but it doesn't anymore. To fix it, I have to disassemble the whole thing and reassemble it, which I'm not gonna do because I could screw something up. Of course I assembled it myself, but I don't want to disassemble it and reassemble it again because again I could screw something up. But overall, honestly, this works. This works. And everything else still works on the chair. So, do I still recommend it? Honestly, yeah. In these 3 years I got accustomed to the chair. A lot of the features which I said they were pretty crappy, like this feature, this feature I thought was pretty crappy, but I use it every single day. The chair looks awesome, there's some tears of course, which is completely normal, and again, this is a quality product. I'm sorry to say it, I know many people hate DX Racer, they hate racing chairs, they say purchase an office chair, it's so much better, but guys, this was 2 times cheaper than the normal office chairs. I got it at half price, and at half price, 3 years later, I'm very happy with it, so I think this was a good purchase. It looks great, it feels great on my buttocks, on my streams it looks good, on my videos as well, and I'm actually very happy with my purchase. What do you guys think? Do you like DX Racer? Do you hate racing chairs? Are you gonna say, oh, purchase again an office chair, it's so much better? Well, some could be, but they're much more expensive, and the office chairs are missing this feature, guys. Again, like I said, I cannot go without this feature. This is so good, I love this feature so much. So guys, if you have a DX Racer chair, let me know what your experience is. Do you like it? Do you dislike it? Of course, which version you got. There's lots of versions. This is the Formula version. And yeah, everything functions as it used to, except of course this, which, yeah, this is as high as it goes. Yeah, that's the cutoff point. But yeah guys, this is it. Thanks so much for watching, and a very special thank you to my patrons and channel members who are Raintes, Munish Pradeep, Alex Chavez, Shinte, Marcus Lieutenant, Clint McCurley, Clint Pentacles, Jim Francescos, Max Robinson, Manta Nugget, SMRJ, Paris Bruce Lane, Case Knights, Marius, Epic LF, and everybody else listed on the screen. Thank you for the support.